Mom and Dad aren't talking. Not to each other. Dad's blanket. That was not there last night. Did Dad sleep here last night? Why would he do that? Good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, Dad.
Morning.
Something is wrong. I know. Mom and Dad aren't talking. Not to each other. When did this start? Last night, I think.
I have some work to check on.
I have some things to do as well.
I cannot remember the last time breakfast was this quiet. Neither can I. We need to find out what happened. Then we find a way to help them. Okay, so what do we know? Dad slept on the sofa. They are not talking. Both are pretending everything is fine. Also, Mom's mug was untouched. She did not drink it. She always drinks her morning tea first thing. They argued last night. Something serious. And neither of them wants to tell us. So before we fix the problem, we understand the problem. That is how real detectives work. Mom, has work been okay lately?
Work is fine, sweetheart. Just a busy project.
You seem a little tired recently.
I'm fine. Just thinking about a few things.
Dad, did you sleep okay last night?
Fine. I watched TV late and fell asleep for a while.
Then why is the blanket still here?
I folded it up this morning. Everything is fine, Jake. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, Dad.
Dad said he just fell asleep watching TV.
Mom said work is just a busy project. Both of them said everything is fine. Which means nothing is fine. I have an idea. We watch and listen today. Watch and listen? Okay, so what are we looking for? 1, do they talk to each other at all today? 2, do either of them mention work in a strange way?
Got it. And 3?
3, do they avoid being in the same room? That is actually the most important one. They did not even look at each other. Not once. Dad went to the study. Mom stayed in the kitchen. They avoided each other all morning.
That answers question 3.
Operation Save Mom and Dad officially begins. Ready? Ready. Then we figure out exactly what happened. And then we fix it. Okay, so we still need to know the real reason. Then tonight, we listen more carefully. This bread is really good, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart. Mrs. Park said they are having a neighborhood cleanup next weekend.
Jake, are you finished?
Dad did not respond to anything Mom said at lunch. He answered you, he just did not answer her. This is not a small argument. Small arguments, they talk through.
So this one they stopped talking instead.
Mom always told us honesty fixes everything. So why isn't she being honest with Dad? Or maybe she told him something honest, and he did not like it.
Wait, that changes everything.
I just need a little more time. Just a little more.
I just wanted her to say something. anything.
Are they talking? Wait, they are arguing. Sophie. Sophie, come here. Now. They are talking. Really talking.
What are they saying? I can hear Dad.
I hear Mom too. Did she just say 2 weeks?
For work. Mom is going away for work.
Dad does not want her to go.
And Mom does not know how to tell him.
This is not just an argument about one thing. It is about a decision.
Mom already decided. Dad just found out.
And Dad slept on the sofa because he did not know how to talk about it.
They stopped.
That is worse than the arguing. We know enough now.
So now we fix it.
This is worse than we thought.
But we cannot give up. Sophie, they always helped us with our problems.
Mom and Dad always say, honesty fixes everything.
So maybe this time, it is our turn to help them. I have an idea. We cook the meal they loved when they were happy.
Cook the meal. Emotional. Simple. Perfect. Do we actually know what their favorite meal was?
Trust me, I have seen the photos. It was always the same soup.
Plan A, the soup.
Tonight, before dinner, we get started now. Still no conversation?
Plan A starts now. Sophie, what if we make it worse?
Then we try something else. But we have to try.
Okay. Operation Save Mom and Dad continues.
Let's go. Okay, so we have everything we need, I think.
Let's just start. Is the heat supposed to be this high?
Trust me, soup needs heat.
Sophie, is it supposed to smell like that?
No, it is not. It is burning! Plan A is on fire!
Literally.
What happened in here?
We were trying to make soup.
Jake, what was the heat set to?
Sophie said soup needs high heat.
Open the window, please.
I'll check the smoke detector.
What were you two trying to do?
We wanted to make something nice for you and Dad.
That was kind of you. I'm sorry the soup didn't work out.
Next time, lower heat, more water.
Okay, Dad.
I'll be in the study.
All right.
Plan A officially failed.
They almost talked. The towel they almost touched. The soup failed, but Mom said it was kind.
And Dad gave cooking advice instead of being angry. That is something.
I have an idea. A letter. Something emotional, from Dad's point of view.
You want to write something pretending to be Dad?
Not pretending, just reminding Mom how Dad feels.
And you send it how exactly?
And you send it how exactly? I miss talking with you. I'm not angry, I'm just scared of losing what we have.
That is actually good.
Sent. Now we wait.
Sophie, who exactly did you send that to?
To Mom, obviously. Oh no. Oh no.
Sophie, You sent it to the whole family group.
I can see that, Jake. Uncle Paul says, very brave of you, John. Grandma says, we are praying for you both.
Plan B officially failed.
At an international level.
We tried everything.
And made it worse both times.
Mom and Dad always say honesty fixes everything. We tried everything except that.
You mean, we tell them what we know?
We tell them what we know and what we feel. Plan C, the truth.
No cooking, no messages, just us talking to them.
Is that Mom? She sounds upset.
Jake, what is it?
Just listen.
She is really upset.
I know.
I want to knock, but what if we make it worse?
We already tried doing nothing, and it got worse anyway.
I am scared, Sophie. I do not want the house to feel like this anymore. Me too. But we cannot do nothing.
Plan C, now.
Now.
Dad, can you come out for a minute? Please, it is important.
What is it, Jake?
Come to the kitchen. I need you and Mom together.
Mom, can you come to the kitchen?
Is something wrong?
We need to talk. As a family.
Go ahead, Jake.
We know Dad slept on the sofa last night.
Jake.
We are not angry. We just want to talk. We just want to talk.
Please let us finish.
Breakfast was very quiet today. And yesterday.
And the day before? Sophie, sweetheart.
You do not look at each other anymore. When you are not okay, the whole house feels different.
We heard you arguing this afternoon.
You heard that?
We know about the 2 weeks for work, Mom.
I was going to tell you when I was ready.
We are not upset that Mom is going. We are upset because you stopped talking to each other about it. You always told us honesty fixes everything. So now it is your turn.
I should have told you both sooner, and I should have talked to your father properly. I was trying to protect everyone, but I was wrong.
I was hurt. I chose silence instead of saying that. That was wrong too.
I did not want you to feel left behind.
I did not know how to tell you. I was scared.
It is working.
They are talking.
What is that?
We wrote something. For all of us.
We are calling it the Family New Contract.
You two wrote this?
Clause 1. No silence. If there is a problem, we talk. This morning felt strange. No one talked.
Clause 2. Share the pressure. If work is heavy, just tell us. We can help.
We already tried.
Clause 3. No sofa sleeping. When you stop talking, the house stumbles apart. Stumbles apart. We do not want that.
You two really wrote all of this yourselves. Because of us.
I will sign, and I am sorry I carried this alone. That was not fair to any of you.
I will sign too. And I am sorry I chose silence. It was not the right choice.
This is better.
Yes, much better. You used our own rule against us.
Honesty fixes everything.
Where did you learn that?
From you. Also, we are sorry about the burnt soup.
Also, we are sorry about the family group message.
The whole family group still has not stopped talking about it.
Uncle Paul sent 3 more messages.
We did not fix them. We just reminded them.